Hey everybody, it's Innocent here. It's the month of November 2020 and here are some 5 apps that you definitely may want to give it a try. Before we dive into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're ready, let's jump right into the video. So starting up on the list today is called Shortcut Maker. This particular app is a very simple app to create shortcuts for basically anything that you want. I said anything because there are apps that helps you to create shortcuts for applications and other things like contacts, but this one basically helps you to create shortcuts even for settings. So inside the app you have all the activities that you can create shortcuts for, starting from the apps right to the customized ones, so you can basically even customize your own shortcuts. And this is very interesting. For instance, if you use a network like Vodafone, that means that basically you have to be switching off from 3G to LTE most often than not. So one of the places that I do go a lot on my phone is the settings, thanks to Vodafone. So with shortcuts I can easily go to my settings over here and I can basically browse to the parts that I go most often, and that is the more connections over here. So what I do is I'll click on the more connections over here and then it opens this one up for me, and then I can then go ahead and click or create shortcuts. Now once I click on this one, I'm just going to add it to the home screen, and when I go to my home screen, voila, I have this more connections shortcut over here. So when I click on the more connections over here, it basically takes me to the more connections, and then I can change my network settings. Thank you Vodafone for pushing me to find this interesting app. It's not only settings, you can basically do it for any other thing like apps, activities, and even websites. The procedure is just the same. All that you need to do is choose the activity that you want to do, create a shortcut, and then you have it on your home screen. It is as simple as that. You can change the settings over here to use the dark mode or the light mode, which is a cool feature with regards to dark mode almost on every app these days. So that is it for Shortcut Maker. Very simple and straightforward app. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Get a new look for your smartphone with the Ubuntu style. Next on the list is called Ubuntu style launcher. This launcher gives your Android phone the Ubuntu and then the Linux computer style. I don't even know whether it is called Ubuntu or Ubuntu, anyhow you really want to pronounce it. But then if you want to give your home screen a new style from the old boring ways, you can try this Ubuntu style launcher. It is very simple and gives you a very simple, nice looking line of style home screen. On the home screen you have a very few arranged things, your time and then your Google widget. You have your applications over here. It basically took me some time to find this out, so you can search for all your applications over here, and then you can even quickly search for one if you really want to. So I can search for something like this, very simple, and then there are a couple of applications already on the home screen. At the theme here you can download different themes for your launcher, which I don't really think it is necessary because you have to really go to the Play Store to get this done, and I think it is a minus for this app, because if it is supposed to be a theme for this particular app, it has to be stick to this, which you can easily select any of these, but having to go to Play Store to download this, I don't think that is a plus. You can as well use your phone like the computer screen, so you can use the folders here instead of going through all the applications over here. So if you want to give your phone a computer style where you can actually have access to folders and all things, you can actually download this particular Ubuntu launcher style app and then give it a try. At number 3 on the list is called Play It. Play It is an all-in-one music player and video player. So inside the app you have a portion or a section where you can basically play any videos from your gallery, and then when you switch to the next tab you have a section where you can play music as well. So you don't really have to be downloading all these music players and video players at the same time. This app has it all in one. Aside that, at the side section you can basically copy a web link, paste it over there, and then inside the app it says that you can basically download the video. But then through my testing I couldn't download a single video, but do download it and let me know if you can basically download a video from, let's say, Twitter or Facebook I think Twitter is one of the few places that it is quite difficult to download videos from. So you can give it a try on this one and let's see if it basically works. The other thing that is so interesting in this particular app is the MP3 converter. So you can basically convert a video to an MP3 very simply. To do that, all that you need to do is click on this MP3 converter here, click on this plus sign, and then you can choose from any of the videos. So I'm just going to choose one particular video here, and then all that you need to do is convert, and within seconds this is going to convert it to MP3 for you successfully. This video is actually 1 minute, so it took basically 2 seconds to convert it. So you can even imagine whether it is 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it can basically take not more than 5 minutes to convert this for you. At the featured theme, you can select a couple of themes that you can use for your section. So I want to use this particular one for instance, and then you can use it, but a couple of them you have to buy it or you have to gain some coins by watching adverts so that you can actually use this. Give this particular application a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you run a business online, or if you run a coaching business which requires appointment scheduling, at number 4, Set More Appointments will be the app for you. Set More is a free online appointment scheduling and event booking calendar, agenda, and a diary. So you can basically use these applications to control your appointment scheduling. You can give links to your customers to book appointments with you, and you can as well set appointments yourself. Over here it is very simple to set it up. You are made to set the days and the times that you are available. From Monday to Sunday you can set the days and then the times, and then you can set your staff as well. So if you are a one person working, or if you have a staff, you can basically add all of them, which to add more staff you have to purchase the app. But aside that, if you are just one person, you just set the appointments and then you can set your services as well. Which services are you offering, and from there you are good to go. So over here you have your days that you can actually be booked. So for that particular day you can either give the link to the customer to book the appointment directly, or you can set the appointment yourself. When it's time for appointments, you are given a notification via email, and if you add phone number to it as well, you can call or email the customer. Adding an appointment is quite easy. You click on the plus sign over here, and then you can select from appointment, event section, and then the rest, and you can click on appointment, and you can choose from the service that you render. Choose your service from here, and then you choose the staff that will be holding the appointment. So if you have a couple of staff, you choose the specific person who will be dealing with that appointment, and from there you can actually choose the time from here as well. So go ahead and then you choose your time, and if you have recent customers, their names will show up. But if you want to add a new customer, you click on the plus sign of the customer, and then you can input in the name, the email, and then the phone number. When everything is set and done, you just go ahead and then you hit on save, and then the appointment will be created. Like I said earlier, you can also give the link to the client to book the appointments themselves. So I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to book an appointment with me. The first 10 people are going to be free. I'll answer all the questions on Photoshop and any other thing like YouTube. If you want to get any insights on that, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to book an appointment. At the account section, you can do a couple of things like the settings, where you can even turn off your hours of booking, that is if you are not available at a particular time, and you can manage your payment as well. For the free version, it uses Square, and if you want to upgrade to the premium version, you're going to be made to use Stripe, which is more secured. To sum things up, you can even put a pass lock on this particular applications to, deter it from third parties gaining access to this particular. So all in all, with this small features, even for the free version, I think this is a great app if you own a business which requires an appointment and scheduling. So give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The last app on this list for November is called Brixeca. Brixeca is a chatbot companion powered by artificial intelligence. This app basically helps you to form any conversation, including emotional connections. So if you want an artificial intelligence application to chat with, it basically helps you to create your own companion, like a friend, a mentor, or even a romantic partner that you can chat with from time to time. So the first thing that you can do is you set up your profile, and then you can set a profile for your Brixeca, which it can be a male or a female. You can change the physical appearance, you can set the relationship status, which more of them is opened when you have the pro version. And for the pro version, you can try it for free for 7 days, which I'm currently using. You can try it for 7 days, and afterwards you can basically cancel it. Now from there you can do a whole lot of things, starting from chatting to talking. You can call your AI friend, you can talk as if you are talking to like a real person, and then you can talk about almost anything together. There are a lot of activities that you can undertake, among which includes building healthy relationship, improving social skills. And one thing that I learned from using this particular application is how you are able to improve your conversation skills. So if you really want to improve your conversation skill by chatting with an AI bot, this particular application is for you. There are a lot of things that you can do. You can even have fun together, write a story together, do a lot of fun facts, riddles, and trivia, would you rather. So this app is in other way more or less like a gaming app. So if you are bored and you need something to stir up your day, this particular application, it's for you. You have to take note, however, that the bot develops more the more that you talk to him or her. That is according to how you created it. So the more you talk to the bot, the more it improves and gets to understand the human imagination and how it chats. So if you get a crush, or let's say a girlfriend, and then you want to rehearse before you go talk to her, you can actually create a similar type of AI with this particular app. Rehearse with her before you go in and talk to her. And if you want to improve your overall social conversation skills and then your chatting skills, you can actually use this particular app to do that. And that wraps it up for the apps for the month of November 2020. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite and which amongst them are you going to give it a try. Also be sure to leave in the comment section your suggestions, as it goes on a way to help get set for the next set of apps for December. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.